to Fabonic job card system, whereby today I will be showing how to add new job card and how to make invoice out of it. So first we'll need to log in. So we need to provide username and password. Then we are going to select job card. By default it will be empty, so we'll start by adding a new one. So to create a new job card, we'll click here on the plus icon. Then we are going to select the customer. So let's try to write test customer. Then we are going to write location. We are going to select the status of that job card. Currently it is in progress. And then job in date and time also. After that, we are going to write the model number, and then the supervisor name, supervisor's name, Mr. Ali, then mechanic, the buying date also we're going to select, the service type, let's put repair, and then the customer complaint. So we're going to type anything just for testing. And then if you have technical analysis details and work done details, you put it here. And then we are going to select the product. So by default I have two products, so I can just select this one and it will give me the rate of that product, but I can change it if I want to change, and it will give me the total. If I want to change the quantity, I can just change it here, and if I want to provide the remark, I can do that. Also I can just decide to add another product here. I'll leave it like this. If I want to provide a remark, I can also do that. After that, if the job is done, I can change it to completed, and then if I want to make invoice out of this job card, I can just click this make invoice, whereby it will generate for me the invoice. If I want to see that invoice, we have the link here, the invoice made. If I click, I can be able to see the invoice that was created. You see it having two products, 90k. If I want to see the list of all created invoice, I can just click here on this icon. This for today, this only have been created. I want to add another job card, whereby this time it will be a warrant job card. So I'll come here on the menus and I'll just add a new job card, and I'll select test customer again, main location, the status of job card is progress, the time in date in is this one, then the time, the model number, the supervisor, and then the mechanic. I can just add and then the buying date. Also I'll have to select the service type, so this time it will be a warranty. If I'm having any details, I can put them here. And if there was any product used on this job, I can add it here. I can change rate, I can change quantity, I can put remark if I want, and if everything is done, I can just opt to make a warranty invoice, whereby this type of invoice, it will not be paid by the customer since it's the warranty invoice. So it means the customer doesn't need to pay. So if I click here, it will ask me, do I confirm? Yes. And after the invoice is made, I can just go to that invoice by click here, invoice made, and it will redirect me to this invoice. And as you can see, the grand total is 0 since the type of this invoice is warranty invoice. So the customer doesn't need to pay. If I want to see the list of all invoices which have been created, I can just come here on this button, and then I can see the list of all the invoices. The first one was the normal invoice which we created, the repair, which was created from the repair job card, and this is the second invoice which was made from the warranty job card. So that's why it is 0. So the customer doesn't need to pay. So we have the record of it, but the customer doesn't need to pay for it. So that is how to add how to add job card and how to make invoice out of them. If I want to see the list of job card, I can just come here, click here, and I can be able to see the list. If I want to change the status, to delete, to print, I can just use this icon. Let's say I want to edit from progress to completed, I can just use this one. So that is how to, and this is a button to go back to the list screen. So this is how to add new job card and to see the invoices. So thank you.